Have you ever pondered about the fine line between sanity and insanity, and how easily one can cross it under certain circumstances? Well, it's a thought that might have crossed your mind after hearing about the incident that took place on a regular Monday afternoon in Atlanta. The tranquility of the day was shattered when a man, later identified as a Navy veteran from South Carolina, attempted to force his way into the FBI's Atlanta field office. His method of choice? Ramming an entrance gate with his vehicle. A rather audacious, if not outright reckless approach to gain entry into one of the most fortified premises in the city. As soon as the vehicle collided with the gate, the man was apprehended by law enforcement officials. He was then transported to a nearby hospital for an evaluation, a standard procedure in such cases to ensure the individual is fit for questioning and prosecution. Following the medical evaluation, custody of the individual was transferred to the DeKalb County Police, as confirmed by a federal law enforcement official. The vehicle involved in the incident was thoroughly inspected by bomb technicians to ensure it posed no immediate threat to public safety. Now, you might be wondering what could possibly motivate someone to attempt such an audacious act. That's the question law enforcement authorities are grappling with as they delve deeper into the investigation. As they sift through the pieces of the puzzle, they aim to unravel the sequence of events leading up to the attempted breach of security at the FBI's Atlanta field office. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance and readiness in handling such situations. It also underlines the unpredictable nature of human behavior, and the lengths some individuals are willing to go in their pursuit of a goal, however misguided it may be. As of now, the investigation is ongoing, and the motive behind the suspect's actions remains a mystery. However, one thing is clear. The swift and coordinated response by law enforcement officials successfully contained the situation, averting any potential harm to the public. As we await further updates on this case, we can only hope for a swift resolution and justice served for this audacious breach of law and order.